Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I made a video, but today we are going to be adding to my cash envelope wallet. This is what I use for my everyday spending, and then also we are going to be doing my paycheck budget, which we're going to be seeing where my money goes. So if you need to pull out your budget planner and you need to see where your money goes and stuff your cash wallet, what are you waiting for? Let's get it. Into it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, count our cash. So today we're supposed to have $220, and as always guys, if you have not already joined the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, click that subscribe button because I would love to have you here, and then also that notification bell, because that way you'll get notification that I uploaded a video. But sometimes, I don't know, some people say they didn't get the notification. I'm not sure. I don't know what's going on with that. So let's count our cash real quick. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20. Y'all, I'll be stuffing the bare minerals. Is it bare? No, not bare minerals. Bare minimal. What am I talking about? Makeup? Right? Makeup? All right, so let's put this up. I'm going to go ahead and put this. Well, I'll just stick this here. All right, we're going to put this there. I'm trying to do better with my desk and not have a bunch of stuff on there, because I know sometimes when I do videos, I look back, I'm like, what is all that stuff on that desk? Yeah, so I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. Okay. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go to our August section, which is going super quickly. And I'm going to just put my wallet here. All right, so I have some of this pretty much filled in just to save us time, and I'm gonna come back in and zoom back in because I just pushed my budget planner all the way out there. All right, so our income is $1,300, and rollover was from last paycheck budget, which is $428.12. I'm trying to think if I had anything come out. I would have put a sticky on here, because sometimes if I don't have enough cash, what I've allocated here, I have to pull out of my buffer, and then I will do a sticky and saying that I think I'm good, but I think I'm good. All right, so rollover, which is money that's left over from last paycheck budget, which is $428.12. And then we have the actual amount that I got was $1,392. I just put all of the income all together instead of trying to say this is from here, this is from here. I've learned to not complicate things and try. Yes, here we go, right here. Remember what I said? I took cash out of here. I think this was, I ended up getting cash for some extra groceries. That's what it was, because I needed some extra things and I didn't get enough of what I needed. So, yep, that's it. That's it. Hey. I knew it was something. Okay, I knew it was something. See, that's why it's so good to write this stuff down. But as you can see, Tina didn't have a sticky. Okay, let's see, totals. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our totals up. And 428. Let me know if you use your money in your buffer, or are you able to keep it until the next paycheck? 92 plus 375, 12. And y'all, today is Aiden's first day of school, so I am getting this video done super early, so I am up. And please wish him a happy day. And if this video comes out a little bit later, still wish him a happy next day. He's like super excited, super pumped. He's like, I can't wait to go to school. We met his teacher. He loves his teacher. He was like, I love my teacher. And I was like, you just met her one time. So you know what? I just roll with it. Just roll with it. Okay, so these are all the bills that are due until the next paycheck, which is on the 30th. Because remember, this is a magic month where we get paid 3 times a month, which I am like, yippee, yay, yay. All right, so actual is $267 for AEP. That thing just slowly creeps up. Lowe's is $30. Discover is $140. And these are and this is actual for, let me see. All right, so let me take this out because, ooh, I didn't mess this up. Oh my gosh. And this is my favorite colored one too. Okay, here we go. Okay, so actually for Xfinity, my internet has been jacked up for a minute. I can kind of use it, but it like skips. It's not steady. So they gave me a $10 credit. So it's actually $65, not $75. All right, gym still 82. I'm kind of using it, but I'm not taking advantage of it as I should. And enrollment fee is $75 for Aiden. This is for him to get back into before and after school because I pulled him out and now he's going back again. So we're going to go ahead and add up our expenses. So we got 669, and then this should be $10 shorter. I'll take the $10, y'all. I'll take the $10. Okay, so I'll take the $10 for 200, Alex. Okay, so this was short the $10, so we're just gonna do 10 here. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead, and this was paid on the 16th, Lowe's 16th, and then I have some extra that's going to Lowe's. Discover 16th. Xfinity is on the 25th because that is an automatic payment. And then the gym is on the 29th. Enrollment fee, I did this on the 16th. I just keep these as the same day because those are the days that it actually comes out. I had $1,767.12. So minus the $267. All right, so we got $1,512 minus the $30. Do anybody else have kids that are going back to school? And were they excited or were they not feeling it? I think the younger they are, the more they're like excited. But then I guess when you get a little bit older, you got that homework. Yeah, you straight up got that homework. All right. So we got $1,108 left to play with, okay? So I'm going to, ouch, my arm's itching. Okay, let me grab me some coffee. Okay. All right, so we got emergency funds, savings, and this is HYSA. Y'all, I said it right, HYSA. Y'all give me a round of applause. Because usually I tear it up. I'm proud of myself. Honestly, y'all, I practice saying that before I get on this video, so I ain't even gonna lie to you. All right, so we're gonna do cashless. Okay, and I got some more markers coming, so I'm excited about that. So these are cashless monies. So we got 100, and we got 100, and we got 200 there. And then with Lowe's, we got 50. So we're going to go ahead and write our 50 here. I am actually going to subtract this amount here. Let's just do that. 908.12, and then I'm going to subtract my 50 from that. So I can go ahead and get that done. Okay. So we got $858 to play with. All right. So let's roll over here. So next we're going to do our cash envelopes. And I can put this up here. And this is where we do the fun part. I mean, the other stuff is fun too, but the cash stuff in this actual funner. Okay, so I ain't got nothing left. I have nothing. Nothing. Okay. All right, so we have Eat Out, and I am trying these trackers in here, which I actually really like. So we're going to be adding, we're going to do $10 for Eat Out. So we got 8, 16 at 10. So that'll give us I'm trying to do my best with not eating out. I'm on 2 5s because eating out is, I mean, it's good, it's expensive, but that's why I've been actually doing my little challenge, y'all. I've been killing the game with my challenge. I'm starting off, I think I got a Lord mercy. What in the world? I can't even get my envelope open. All right. There we go. Struggle bus. So I've been actually killing the game with this challenge, and the money that I have been using, that I've been saving weekly, I got to make sure I don't go too far, because one of the challenges that I have in here was in my mystery box, and the mystery box are all mailed out, and I just don't want y'all to see it until they get it. and then I can show you. So this is from last week. So all of the money that I save each week, I just roll it over and I put it in my Alpha Savings Challenge. So y'all, I am seriously killing the game with adding to this. So I am pretty excited. Say excited. Yeah, so I'm starting a new week. So yesterday, I think I can add $10 to it because your girl did good. Okay, so for Joe, we're going to add $10 to that. So 8, 16. I said 10, right? So we're going to do 2 5s for that. And I told you guys I need to make some more envelopes. These are, they're struggling. Struggle. All right, next, these are out of order, so I'm not worried about it, but I know how much I need to put. So we're going to add cash. Got 8, 16, so we're going to add 120. And then I am going to be utilizing my Kroger's app. Kroger's app. Kroger's app. Because I've been actually doing pretty good with that, with savings. 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. So we got 120. And I really needed this money for groceries. I'm a rapper, y'all. They call me Little T. Little TT. All right, got that. All right, bank run. I need to put this at the end in extra cash. All right, so Aiden is to be determined because little buddy is going to start getting allowance. He has a responsibility chart. I got it off Amazon. I'll post it on my story one time for y'all to see it. But so we're figuring out how we're going to do his allowance. So that way, and he said he wanted to get an allowance. So his, as you can see, it says to be determined. All right, so next I'm going to do gas. He's growing up so much. Goodness gracious. My goodness. 816. So we're going to add $50. And I am already full on my tank. So we got 20, 40, 50. So I don't need no gas as of now. So if I just keep it, not trying to ride all over the place, I should be good for a while. But I'm still got to get my oil changed. And I do have funds in my sinking funds binder for my oil change. So no sweat about that. All right, personal, I'm just going to do $10. So we got add cash. So 816, so $10. So that will make me have $10. All right, so we're going to do $10 there. And I'll put that there. All right, next we have Chris. Chris, I'm not going to do anything for that. I know. No crisp. No crisp. Okay, so then we have for household, we got add cash 816. So we're going to add just $10 because we have a bunch of paper towels and toilet paper. All right, why do I have $10 left? I done something crazy. All right, 10. Let's see, Chris, I said no. Let's go back. Personal. No, personal, I think I was going to do 20. That's what we got, 20. Because I was like, I knew I had $20 left. Okay. All right, mystery solved. Meddling kids, mystery solved. Okay, all right, so we can put these back in my wallet. Let's, ooh. All right, so that goes in there. All right, so that is done. All right, so next, I'm going to open this back up so we can see the full thing here. All right, $220 extra cash coming in for sinking funds. So I'm going to do a different video for my sinking funds. And then savings challenges, I've been doing those pretty much on the side. So we have $220 here. So we can go ahead and subtract the 85812 minus the 220. So we have 63812, and we don't have any of this. So this will be 0. So nothing, subtract 63812, and then nothing here, 63812. So let's go ahead and add up our expenses. So we got $659. We don't have too much this time. I'm excited. 200 plus 50. Usually the stuff is just 220 plus, that's it. So we have 1129 and then minus our 76712. Our income 76712 minus 1129. Ooh. So we have 63812. I ain't had this much. I'm talking about like not this much where it's not allocated already to something. I ain't had this much in my, ooh. Do you feel me? Awesome. Okay. All right. So thank you guys so much for chilling with me. We are finishing our paycheck budget. So let me know how yours went. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.